Elevate is the stylish new lantern-style roof from Liniar. Beautifully designed, Elevate features slim sightlines and a sleek transition of roof bars, allowing in more light for an unobstructed view. Elevate is available in kit format, up to a maximum size of 2400mm by 5400mm, with everything included. Roofs are made to order and delivered to site within a maximum of 5 working days. This video shows just how quick and simple it is to install the Elevate roof. Before beginning the installation, check the contents of the roof kit against the paperwork. Survey and measure the area where the roof is to be sited. Fit the wall rail, making sure that all fixings are in the correct position in the channel. Then cleat these together. Fix the wall rail at 500mm minimum centres with 4x50mm screws using pre-drilled fixing holes. If transom bars are to be fitted, secure the inline fixing plates directly under the transom positions with 4x50mm screws. Once the wall rails are in place, apply foam to the top face. Fit the patented glazing retainers in the positions shown on the paperwork. These are rotated into the channel in the wall rail in between the roof bar fixings. Loosely fix the hip bars to the wall rail using the flange nuts and fixings in the wall rail channel. Then, loosely fix the ridge to the hip bars using M6x25mm socket cap head screws and flange nuts provided. A 5mm Allen key will be required for the screws. Align the hip bars and tighten all fixings securely. Place the foam seal into position at both ends of the ridge. Remove the backing tape from the internal end covers and secure them in position at both ends of the ridge, pressing firmly. Lift the glazing units carefully into position and then fit the glazing trims. Once the glazing trims are clipped in place, insert the hip bar foam seals on both sides of each hip bar where it meets the glazing trims. Clip on the roof bar top caps, ensuring they are in the correct orientation. See the paperwork for top cap positions. Liniar's EnergyPlus twin-walled top caps are included with every Elevate kit and ensure a strong and robust fit alongside additional thermal efficiency. The ridge top cap is then fitted along with the weather dam, which is clipped into the ridge and hip bar top caps. Remove the backing tape from the external end covers and, pressing firmly, secure in position at both ends of the ridge. Roof bar end caps are clipped on to complete the installation. Remember, Liniar has a full installation guide to help you on site. Just visit the download section of our website for a copy. British made, Elevate is covered by the Liniar 10-year guarantee and supported by a team with more than 500 years of experience of fenestration technology. Designed to match perfectly with other products in the Liniar range for a seamless finish, including windows, bifolding and patio doors, Elevate takes lantern roofs to the next level. For more information, go to www.liniar.co.uk and order your Elevate kit by emailing roofs@liniar.co.uk.